Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2025. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Gemini, let's see. February 2025. What's up? Anong ganap? Eagle. Oh. Ito ang energy ng eagle is about focusing on something no? Maaring meron kayong bibigyan ng main focus ngayong February. Can be focusing on your career, focusing on your family, focusing on your relationship, 'di ba? Or focusing on your business. So, tingnan natin saang area of life. Uy, relationship, partnership para sa iba. This is also perspective. So, maaring may nagbabago sa inyong pananaw sa buhay. Oo. Maaring kayo ay mas confident sa sarili nyo, no? Kasi alam nyo na marami kayong kayang gawin. You have Scarab. Scarab is rebirth. This is healing. Di ba kapag tayo galing sa isang challenge tapos na lagpasan natin, di ba somehow parang nadadagdagan yung ating confidence, no? Na, uy, nakaya ko, naka-recover ako, ganon. So, that's what I'm seeing for you. You are stronger than ever. There's also renewal ng energy ninyo. You are taking back your power. Wow. Okay, let's see what else. Gemini. Waterfall. Oh, you are letting go. Ano tong let go mo, Gemini? You are letting go of your old habits, anything that is no longer serving you. Some of you may be letting go of a relationship, connection, can be a career na sa tingin mo is hindi na aligned sa mga goals mo. 'Di ba? So it's time to make some changes. And I see you transforming, changing. Itong Scarab is also about renewal So things are changing for the better for you. Let's see your overall energy. Wow! 6 of Wands. Ang ganda nito. As an overall energy because this is about success, triumph, glory. Wow. So, maaring you are also gaining a lot of attention. Maraming ma-inspire sa inyo or you are inspiring other people. Some of you, pwedeng kayo ay nasa social media, you are doing contents, or maaring, kumbaga may certain level of fame, pagiging sikat sa inyong area of life. So, pwedeng sa work mo yan, sa area of expertise mo. So, you are being recognized. Let's see your challenge, the strength. Oh. As a challenge, ito yung sinasabi nating lakas ng loob na mag-let go. Kasi 'di ba minsan pag you are holding on to something pero talagang parang hindi para sa iyo no. So you have to let that go, surrender para maibigay sa iyo yung dinideserve mo talaga. And therefore, you're going to be more successful on what you really deserve. Yes. So, yung iba sa inyo kung may mga unhealthy habits kayo, especially sa kalusugan. I think yan yung challenge sa inyo ngayong February na anything unhealthy, unti-unti, i-let go nyo na. Okay? para makuha nyo yung best or optimum optimum energy, ganyan. Kasi you are healthier than ever. And then your opportunity is the Knight of Pentacles. As an opportunity, maaring merong investment opportunity for you, mag-acquire kayo ng lupa, bahay, or merong magandang idea for business. Maaring merong nag-o-offer ng collaboration, working with you. Ayan. So, nasa sayo if you're going to take that opportunity. And then your blessing is, wow, the Sun. As a blessing, this is clarity. And yung pinag-uusapan nating confidence, 'di ba? So, ayun. Alam nyo, Gemini, yung inyong tiwala sa sarili, yan yung magdadala sa inyo sa success, sa tagumpay. Yes. And you have a lot of energy. Maaring yung iba sa inyo meron kayong aayusin sa health nga ninyo, no, sa kalusugan ninyo. At dahil maaring mas mag-exercise na kayo, ganyan, or may mga titake kayo na vitamins, supplements, or you're going to have a healthier lifestyle, you will gain more energy. Okay? Mapapansin mo, mas malakas ka ng tumakbo ngayon. Oo, kumbaga magbuhat or physical strength. Ang strength rin naman is hindi lang siya sa physical, can be mental strength, emotional strength, spiritual strength. So, ayan. Spread out yan sa inyo. Okay, let's see what else. Gemini. For Gemini, ngayong February, knowledge is power. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are learning, researching. Yung iba, may mga short courses kayo, may mga pinapanood kayong video sa YouTube na meron kayong matututunan ng mga information that will help you build your career, your business, your source of income. Ayan. Very strategic rin kayo ngayong February. Pag-iisipan nyo talagang maigi ang inyong mga actions. Oo. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa kalusugan, no? Pay attention to your health. Kasi, syempre, choice nyo yan eh. Kumbaga, even if I tell you na, oy, magiging maganda yung health mo, pero, hindi mo naman talaga gagawa ng action, 'di ba? So, if there is something na kailangan mong asikasuhin sa kalusugan mo, asikasuhin mo na siya. Kasi para hindi na yan lumala. Syempre, hindi naman para sa lahat. Kung nakaka-resonate ka sa area ng health, ito na yung sign para sa'yo na wag mo nang itago yan. Asikasuhin mo na. There's fun, freedom. Ba sa inyo pupunta kayo sa yung mga yung tawag doon, parang Enchanted Kingdom o ganon. Oo. Or alam mo yung places na may nakakaaliw na mga eksena or attractions. Oo. Can be any place. I feel like, alam mo, meron talaga sa inyong magiging successful dun sa mga sinimulan nyo nung nakaraang taon. So, ngayong February nyo makikita talaga yung resulta niyan. So, kumbaga parang ang ganda ng energy ninyo. Very, alam mo yung feeling na na meron kang kapamilya na, halimbawa may nangyaring maganda sa kanya, alam mo laging nakangiti, ganun. Tapos kahit hindi mo masisira yung araw niya. So parang ganun yung energy nyo. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Yes. So you deserve better. Okay? Wag i-lower ang standard. Beware of great pride. Ayan. So syempre you know yourself. Alam mo yung mga kakayanan mo. Although may mga tao rin kasi na hindi, iba-iba kasi yung pagtingin perspective sa isang character ng isang tao. So, kung sino yung mga nagva-vibe sa inyo, kung sino yung nakaka-resonate sa energy nyo, then yun yung ma-attract ninyo. A meeting with a stranger could be important. So, meron kang imi-meet na very important person. Yun nga lang, mag-ingat baka kasi doble kara yan, no? sa pagkaharap mo, maayos, kausap. Pag nakatalikod ka na, hindi pala maganda yung sinasabi. Okay. Invitation. The words you speak are an invitation to life, a request to bring energy into form. Choose your words carefully. Yes. Kasi yun yung naman-manifest natin eh. Lalo na kung lagi nating sinasabi yung words na yan. Kaya nga may mga affirmations, 'di ba? So, yeah. That is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.